Alright then guys, it's Magic Drone and Cameras, how are we all going on? I'm currently filming this in 4K 60 frames per second. Yeah, I'm just going to do a little vlog today. We're going shopping in a minute, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit of a wind test because it's quite blustery outside, bit rainy, so obviously if it's rainy I won't be doing the videoing. So I'll just be doing it from the car to the shop and probably do a little bit of filming inside, hopefully he says. Take a few pictures and whatnot. Yeah, so we'll see how this goes. We'll see how the camera performs on the wind side of things. Or the microphone, I should say, if I say it right. Alright then guys, so I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Right, as you can see, we're outside. Just walk up to the car, see how this wind's holding up, but there's no point putting it on here because, thinking about it, the wind's a bit sheltered. Round the other side, you can see the trees blowing, hopefully. So it is windy, but not this bit. So we'll try a bit further on. See you in a bit. Right, it's a bit more windy here. I've got all on to the so I'm hoping you can hear this. If not, can't do nothing about it. So yeah, this is the wind test. We'll see how we're going on. Hopefully it's going to be alright. So, yeah, that's it. All the job. We're just off to Farm Foods. Cheap and cheerful. But hey ho. Just walking along and we're seeing how this wind affects the microphone. So hopefully, because it's got two microphones, one in the middle and one underneath. I think the one underneath is a noise reduction, I think. So we'll see. Alright then guys, I'll see you later.
Mixed vegetables.
Mm-hmm.
I know we got one yesterday, or aren't you bothered?
Alright then guys, as you can see, we're in. We've just heard with the wind test one. Yeah, it weren't too bad. I was quite surprised because it is quite blustery out there. You could sort of like hear the muffle of the wind blowing into the microphone, but it's not as bad as, say, you would filming on a mobile phone, which is quite good actually, to be fair. So I'm quite surprised with that. So you could do like a vlog in windy conditions. Not recommended, but you could do. Just not too windy. Yeah, it weren't too bad. I did a few other tests. The hyperlapse that you see, well, Jeanette Pickering, my wife, was holding the camera in the car. I was wanted to do another one of those because it was quite a bumpy road when we first set off, and there was loads of potholes and everything on there. So yeah, I wanted to see how the camera held up to that, and yeah, corking job, yeah, absolutely awesome. And also, I did a few slow motion focus shots, if that makes sense, in the shop as well. See how it focused in and if it stayed in focus, which I think it did. So yeah, awesome. Obviously, be a lot better videos going out in the future because of the I couldn't get out today because of the wind and rain. It's been absolutely pants. Not sure what's happening tomorrow. Today's Saturday. Tomorrow, obviously Sunday. Normally the Yorkshire drone seekers go out flying and whatnot. I haven't got my drone, but I was going to go out with them with the Osmo, doing another little vlog as well, and taking pictures and whatnot of the surrounding area. So if they're still going out tomorrow, I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. And yeah, hopefully they will do. If you want to follow me on Twitter, it's JustDraws71. That's my handle on Twitter. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's JustDrones1971. If you want to follow me on my Facebook page, it's Chris Pickering. All the information is on my About page. Click on the About page and go to the banner page. You should see it on there as well. So yeah, if you want to go on there, that would be absolutely awesome. Please also, if you're new to and you like this type of content, if I can speak properly, if you like this type of content, please click the red button and also smash that bell so you never miss another video when I'm uploading one. All right then, guys, this should be all in 4K at 60 frames per second. So hopefully everything's turned out all right. All right then, guys, I shall see you in the next one, and have a good one. Bye.